Another thing that David told us about is the popularity of crisp, clean lines on cabinet doors. Now, what I like about this particular door from Marilat, it's called the silhouette door, is that you can really define the style of the cabinet by simply your selection of hardware. And there's a lot more cabinets and hardware to see at this show. The Stockton series from Yorktown Cabinetry is another great example of the use of clean lines, but this time with a more traditional feel. The use of hickory in this line is new for 2006, as is this 21st century version of the early 1900s classic Hoosier cabinet. For purely modern function, take a look at the drawer within a drawer or the slide-out furniture legs with the built-in spice rack. We found several variations of the contemporary metal cabinets that David mentioned, like the European styling of the Salona line, which is available in a variety of colors as well as wood grain patterns. In the Craftmade booth, that modern look extends to the way cabinets are organized, including one unit that gives a whole new meaning to the idea of the appliance garage. Cabinet organization is a big issue for most kitchens, and to meet that challenge, there are plenty of innovative solutions on display here. All that's left is some cool hardware to dress up the cabinets, and we found that too. Unique sand-cast brass and aluminum elements from the hardware company, and these great stainless steel and bronze pieces called man handles from designer Kerry Sokoloff of Soko Designs. This is just one example of some of the very unique hardware we found here at the Kitchen and Bath Show. Now, Kerry tells us she got into the hardware business when a friend of the family asked her to make some cabinet hardware based on a sculpture she had created called Jacob's Ladder. These are pretty cool.